Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 5 of 21-day mindfulness challenge. Today we are going to focus on another quality of our being. But before that, we would start with gentle breathing followed by relaxation. So sit relaxed, feel your feet on the ground, feel your back supported by the chair or the couch where you're sitting, and we would take few deep breaths in. So we would inhale on a count from 1 to 5, hold for a couple of seconds, and then we would exhale from a count of 1 to 7. So take a deep breath in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold, and gently exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take another deep breath in, 1, 2, and have a full body breath. Fill your belly, fill your chest all the way. Hold and gently exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you exhale, if a sound or heavy breath comes out, that's absolutely normal. Take another deep breath in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold and gently exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And continue to breathe deeply. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. And with each breath, as you let it out, you relax a little bit more. And give yourself permission to enjoy this moment. Enjoy breathing in this moment. And find a gentle rhythm. Breathing in, breathing out, and notice any subtle changes as you are breathing in deeply and breathing out deeply. And then we would go ahead and start with gentle relaxation of our physical body. So starting with our feet, relax your feet. And when I say relax, just let go of your feet as if there is no need to hold on to your feet. So relax your feet. As you relax, as you let them go, your feet becomes heavier, but you become lighter internally. Relax your ankles. Relax your lower legs. Relax your knees. Relax your thighs. Relax your lower abdomen. And with each step, as you're relaxing, just allow yourself to be more free internally. Like there is no need to hold on to your body. Body is relaxed and you're internally free. Relax your belly. Relax your chest. Relax your shoulders. And relax your arms all the way to your fingertips. And everything is kind of melting away at a distance. You're becoming more easy, more relaxed. You're more free in this moment. Relax your throat. Relax your jaw. Relax your lips. Relax your tongue. Relax your face, your cheeks, your nose, your eyes, your eyelids. Everything is getting more easy in this moment. Relax your forehead. Relax the top of your head. Relax the back of your head. Relax your neck. It carries a lot of weight. You can even move your neck just to relax it more. Relax your upper back. And just continue to breathe as we are going step by step. As you continue to breathe and relax each part, you get into next level of relaxation. Relax your spine vertebrae by vertebrae all the way to the base of the spine. Relax your hips, relax your legs all the way back to your feet. Just enjoy being here in this moment. There's nowhere to go, nothing to do, nothing to think about, just being here. And check if there is a particular part of your body that's calling for any special attention. If it still feels stuck, if it feels not in flow, you can take your attention to that part and listen to that part as if you're feeling into that part. Maybe it's your chest, your shoulder. As you listen to it deeply, see what it's trying to communicate. You can even ask that part, what is it that you really want in this moment? And listen. And as you listen, you can respond back by saying, take whatever you want in this moment. And you can do this with different parts of your body. You can even pause this meditation right now and just go to different parts which are calling for your attention. And as you listen to these parts, just truly listen without trying to fix, without trying to judge, without trying to make it right or wrong, because it is what it is in this moment. And as you become present, you listen, you respond, you're really listening to the need of this part in this moment. And this is real self-care. Today we are going to focus on one of our quality which is very essential in this life, and we all have this quality, and this quality is flexibility. I am flexible. Even though some of you might think I'm not that flexible, but the truth is you are flexible. You are able to adapt to different situations in your life. Sometimes flexibility is tolerating other people, tolerating different situations, even though when it is very challenging. Sometimes flexibility is listening to a loved one when it's really hard, when you want to speak, but in that moment the need is to really listen, just like you are listening to your physical body right now. Sometimes flexibility is to step up, take a step of courage even when you are experiencing fear. Sometimes flexibility is to open your heart and be more compassionate to your partner, to your loved one, or to a neighbor when it is hard to be compassionate in that moment. So all of these different acts are a sign of your flexibility. And knowing that you are flexible, you are adaptable. You can adapt to different situations. You can find solutions in that moment. And knowing that you're flexible, you can adapt, you can find solutions, you can trust yourself more, and you can relax knowing that you're flexible. Opening your heart and loving other people, even when it's difficult to do so, is a sign of flexibility. Forgiving those who have said something, done something intentionally or unintentionally to you is also an act of flexibility, so that you can move forward and they can move forward. So take a moment and bring into your awareness this quality of flexibility. And you can even speak out loud that I am flexible. I am flexible. I am flexible. I can mold in any situation. I can adapt in any situation. And as I can do so, I can find solutions. I can move forward. I can come back into flow. And we can enhance this quality of flexibility. In that moment, when you face a challenge, you can ask yourself, what would be the most compassionate thing to do in this moment for that other person, but also for myself? So what is the most compassionate thing to do for myself in this moment? How I can treat myself with more compassion in this moment? And sometimes the act of compassion is to forgive yourself, to be not that hard on yourself, and also reach out to others and ask for help and support. So I'm flexible and I can ask for help from other people when I need. And I trust that universe will help me, support me in providing the right kind of help, the right kind of support. So we just sit here for a few moments just to honor this quality of flexibility within us. So thank you, and whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes. As you open your eyes, have this awareness that you are flexible. And because you have this special quality, you can find solution to any problem and use that challenge to grow. So keep this quality in awareness, and I would see you tomorrow. Have a great rest of the day. Thank you.